This was a toolbox made out of 15mm ply, 9mm ply and 15 by 19mm pine for the handle. There's a fair bit of weight in it on its own, but I think it's a nice sturdy project. It's got good solid sides. So let's see how it's made. 9 by 190, 15 by 190 and 19 by 50. The base, which is 190 by 15, is 780 long. The sides, which are also 190 but by 9, are 780 long. The ends are out of it 190 by 15. They're 375 long. The handle, which is 50 by 19, is 820 long. So it should have 6 pieces. The next step is going to be marking out the ends. Marking 180 from the top. Picture mark on the edge. Right on the edge. And like I said, this is 190. I need 50 at the top. Mark out at 70. Mark at 70. And join those two. The handle needs to be in the middle, which is at 95. Square a light line down. 30 from the top, and the hole is going to be 30. And then we also need a mark for 10, where the screw is going to be at the bottom. Lightly square these lines. This needs to be 19 wide, 9.5 in the centre, 0 and 19. There those lines up. This is what we're getting rid of. Blanket to the table, and just get rid of this. These out. Put them together. To remove this section, there's several ways you can do it. You could drill holes and then cut out with a cutting saw or a jigsaw. I'm going to try using the spade bit on the drill press. I'm going to get this aligned so it's near the top and drill out that section, and then I'll have to do the rest with the jigsaw. getting rid of that bit. Should work to get all your handles to fit. Make sure they're a snug fit. You want them to be a snug fit. You're going to have this hole, which was the 10mm hole below the handle, pre-drilled and countersunk. For the marking out of where to drill for your pieces, take your end, line it up flush on the outside, and draw your line. 3 holes halfway and 40mm in from each end, pre-drilled and countersunk. Place your ends on your side and draw the lines at each end. And then take the base, line it up, draw a line. Holes are going to be in between the edge and this line. For marking out on the ends, it's exactly the same, halfway, 40 and 40 in from the end. We want to have at least 5 screws, say halfway, 780 is 390, and then we'll just come in 100 and 250 from both ends. When pre-drilling, make sure you've got a bit of scrap underneath so it doesn't split too much. Deciding which is going to be your outer edge. Countersink them as well. Do that all the way around. You want to do a slight curve in the middle to make it a little bit more of a handle. So you need to find midway of your handle. This is 75, so it's 37.5 to the center. And in the diagram it says 140 wide in total. So if I put the 70 on that middle point, mark it 0 and a mark at 140. And I'm thinking I'm going to go about 10mm up. Having an extra set of hands would be handy. Take the ruler and just slightly bend it until it touches all 3 points, and that's the curve you want. So I can get a friend to do this, or you draw the line. That's pretty close. We're going to use the jigsaw to cut this curve out, and then we'll smooth it with a file. then the blade will flex a bit, so it's not going to be perfectly straight up and down, which is why we're going to be using files. Taking those hard edges off there. I'm going to assemble this with screws. We're only using 32mm screws. When you're assembling these, you want to make sure they're on a flat surface and that you've got them aligned. And back my touchdown a bit so it doesn't tear the plywood. When you're putting your sides on, this is the one time that you can actually use it to maybe square up your job. I can hear a few cracks where it's probably better pre-drill your plywood. It is assembled. Perfect for taking the tools. Let it go and dry. While I didn't do it, it is advisable to pre-drill into the plywood because I could hear a few parts where it was splitting the plywood. So if I went looking for a drill bit, I don't have a drill bit in this workshop. It's the right size, but I'll rectify that.